Hello, Kenji here is about to tingle this Dell Vostro 460 high-level PC that is going to help most of the task worker getting straight to the job done. And this system is very powerful driven. It received very popular review. While it was once cost quite a sum to own this, it has been rejuvenated, and based on the feedback, most of my clients will go for the conventional Windows 7 OS, which this comes with a 64-bit Ultimate. Well, this system users find it has a very straightforward taskbar. As you can see at the bottom left corner, the start bar, it has very effective, reliable, compatible in the Windows 7 interface. Straight to the application, you can launch the required tool to run your projects, your sales report, running in the King Office. For photo touching up, picture imaging tools is all here. Well, you have the media streaming, and even gamers will prone for Windows 7 operating system, because some of our friends say that it has come to a maturity, full-fledged development of the Windows 7 is most compatible to the games, and that will be practically help the infotainment users as well as the knowledge user, task worker, and so on. You look at the chipset here, it's a Sandy Bridge Core i7-2600 with a processor speed of 3.40 GHz, and it can turbo max up to 3.80 GHz. Well, this is a testing model, so we have start off with a 4 GB RAM and moderate storage space of 500 GB Western Digital hard drive. Other than that, well, currently I have added on this wireless adapter, which you can get online, as well as the Microsoft Essential antivirus is there. Well, good practice after you just launch this CC cleaner straight ahead, then just run cleaner. It will help you to remove all these unnecessary files embedded in your browser, in your temp folders, and so on. Really friendly and straightforward. Other than that, well, what have I covered? Right, the optical drive, yeah, DVD-RW. Okay, let's take a close look up at the rear of this system. Well, I'm going to turn this system around. Here it goes. Over here you can see this monitor is hooked up to this DVI Digital Video I DVI-I dual link high resolution video graphic transmission to support the brilliant colors in the monitor. You can see it. You have a VGA, you have the HDMI port, you have the eSATA here, and a 4 USB port, RJ45, and as well as for those who again opt in for the PDIF outlet here for video as well. Well, you have plenty of expansion slots inside here. The PCIe graphic card will sit in one of the slots here. Looks good. And then, well, let me try browse up the network, internet. Because I'm in the enclosed environment and rely on this wireless network, may have some airwave filter up, so it's a bit weak. Okay, I save, but so far so good. Okay, let me launch the YouTube browser. Access to YouTube. Okay. Well, sing along session, okay? No, just kidding. I'm going to practice karaoke. I'm learning the process. Karaoke, Say You Say Me by Lionel Richie, popular in the 80s. People want to know who we are. This the army brothers used to morale boosting. Okay, let me try this. Say You Say Me, made popular in the 80s. Late baby boomers, you find this sound familiar? Okay, there goes Lionel Richie. Say you, say me, say it for always. That's the way it should be. Say you, say me, say it together naturally. I had a dream, I had an awesome dream. I'm going to blow up the screen. People in the park, playing games in the dark. And what they played was a masquerade. From behind the walls of doubt, a voice was crying out. Awesome, right? That's good enough, Just practice go my vocal. So looks everything is fine. Windows 7 fans, you want to get straight to the task. We consider this system Dell Vostro 460, a high-level system that meet most of your office education, and also a gamer may leverage in this productive system. Keen give a call to Kenji 927674777. Cheers.